The customer said that the drain pump on his GE washer started running constantly and the user interface completely stopped working. He actually had to unplug the unit to get the pump to stop. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what happened and how to fix it. First, let's remove the user interface. Behind it, we'll find the main control board. The problem is right here. Actually, I already figured out what happened during the initial conversation with the customer before I even arrived, but I'll tell you more about what exactly went wrong a bit later. This board has a built-in pressure switch that monitors the water level in the drum, and I'm confident that the problem is right here. Now let's put everything back together in reverse order and get ready to test it. And that's a wrap. The customer is happy, I'm happy, so I'm trading my like for yours. You can find the link to my Yelp page in the description below. See you in the next repair.